my name is Dave Gallen. We are at ProMat in Chicago, and behind me we have a cell that is showing random bag palletizing and depalletizing. And here in the last year, we had a lot of requests for products to be picked up off the pallet, brought over to some type of depalletizing or degating tray, and emptying the product into a tub. Some of that is food-based, sugar, a flour, or a whey. Some of that is product that the bags are damaged. And they want to take the bags, they want to pick them, they want to bring them over, they want to open them up in the tray, recirculate that product, and then repalletize it. So behind us, we will find the pallet with the AI vision cameras. We will find the product on the skid. The bags on the skid can be in any orientation. The AI finds them, can determine between color or sizes of bags. For instance, the one customer has multiple size bags, all on the same pallet, all the same product, but in different bags. We take that product, we open the bags, that goes into a tub, recirculates around. We take that product, rebag it, and resell it. Everything that we have is based on AI vision. The AI has models built, and those models are what we use in order to differentiate between the different products on the pallet. One of the additional benefits of a system like this is safety. So what happens is these bags are between 30 and 50 pounds. And some customers have come to us and said that they have operators that are having back and shoulder issues emptying these products out. So behind me, we have a piece picking or a bin picking application. We have over 100 of these in production right now. What it does is using artificial intelligence or AI, we build a model. In that model, it tells us how to differentiate between products in a bin. With that information, we can then use different parts of the end of arm tool to pick that product in an e-commerce environment. We take that product then, bring it to a barcode reader, verify what it is, drop that product into an auto bag. The auto bag will self-seal, put a label on it, and be delivered to the end users without anybody touching the product. Thank you for taking your time to spend with us here at ProMat in Chicago 2025. You can find more information on our website, CMESrobotics.com.